project manager with the Nez Perce Tribe Watershed Division on the Crooked River Valley Rehabilitation Project. The purpose of the restoration is to restore the river for salmon and steelhead. We are rebuilding the entire floodplain and river channel through about a 1 mile reach. We have a couple reaches on the upper and lower end that we're just rebuilding the floodplain and adding large woody debris for that in-channel habitat.
My name is Jared Crow, and I am a specialist with the Nez Perce Tribe Watershed Division. I've worked with the division for 17 years, and I'm a project assistant, so I work with Jennifer Harris, the project leader here. We take the ridgetop approach, so the work that we do that benefits the salmon also benefits, steelhead, cutthroat, bull trout, lamprey, mussels, all the aquatic organisms.
We've constructed a bypass channel in order to move the flow over into while we work on the floodplain and the new river channel and all the features that go with it. But in order to do so, we have to salvage everything or almost everything that we can get within this channel. And we're doing that with a huge collaboration effort with the Nez Perce Tribe, the U.S. Forest Service, NOAA has been out, the National Marine Fisheries Service, Idaho Department of Fish and Game. We have the Montana Conservation Corps, Trout Unlimited, and a lot of other interested volunteers, interns, and people that have wanted to come out and see what this project is all about and get involved in the project.
This isn't just a job for me. This is, as a member of the Nez Perce Tribe, this has cultural importance, not just this area alone, but the work we're doing as a whole. The salmon, we're referred to as the salmon people. The lamprey were very vital to my people's survival for tens of thousands of years. The steelhead, everything. And if we can bring something like this back that we can give to our children so they can enjoy it or even get to know it for the first time, because this river hasn't seen lamprey in 80 years. And if we can get something like that back here, that isn't just great ecologically, that's great spiritually and culturally for my people. And you can't put a price tag on it. No matter how hard you work at something, when you get that end result coming back and we can pass that knowledge on, not only that they are here for our people, but to be able to know them, to be able to harvest them, to take them to first feasts, and enjoy it in that aspect too. That has a lot of